Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another DIY video. And this video is a part of a challenge that is hosted by my dear friend Julia. Her channel is the Mug Life DIY, and her co-host for this month is Kiki from Kiki DIYs. I will insert both of those ladies' information in the description below, and I will strongly suggest for you guys to go check it out. They are amazing creators and dear friends to me. So they come up with this theme for the challenge, which is the Harry Potter theme. And I was really excited when I heard it because I decided that I will be participating since my daughter is a big fan of it, along with my husband. And as you could tell, I am wearing their favorite house. It is Slytherin, and I have created something that I would like to share with you. So if you're into Harry Potter and would like to know what I have made, please continue watching. Okay, Expecto Patronum. Okay, so let's talk about supplies. You will need 14-inch Wreath from the Dollar Tree. Then as for the mash, I'll be using this burlap, kind of like a ribbon. I don't know what it's called. I had it from the prior project. As you can see, it's still pre-cut. So I'm gonna be using this, and I got a few new ones from the Dollar Tree, and they are like a brown and light green. So I'm gonna mix them together and pre-cut them 7-inch long as I usually do. So that would be for a wreath. Then for the decorative, I have this ribbon that I'm gonna use. Then I used my printer, regular printer, not the Cricut, just a regular printer, and then I cut it up. And this is a cardboard from the box, and what I'll do, I'll glue it together and Mod Podge it over. And for the decorations, don't know if you guys have, I had it left over from the party packs. It's the glasses, some stickers, like a card. It's like a ticket to the train, I guess. This is what it looks like. Then a couple of notebooks. So all of that, whatever you have for the decorations. And then I got a couple of rubber snakes. That's that. And looks like a game watch. And I will be making a little broom. So I went outside and picked up a couple of sticks. So what I'll do, I'll use my little stick from the Dollar Tree. It's a pack of 10 it's come. So I will wrap it around and use my jute to kind of secure it and make a broom out of that. So that would be another decoration. So that's that. And I don't know, we probably all have this. It's the wand from a Walmart. So I'll use this for decoration as well. So to tie my wreath, little mash to my wreath, I have leftovers from this little sticks that are from the Dollar Tree, some of them from Halloween, as you could tell, and some from other projects. So I'll be using my leftover material before I cut some more. So that is pretty much all you need. And this was from my sweater, so I kept it because I have seen Linda from Face Chick 777. She's my dear friend. Her channel is DIY by Design. She did a really cool DIY using the tags. So I've been saving mine, and I think this will become very handy for this project. So that is all. I don't think is anything gonna be really hard, but let's start working on it. Or look it up how to say expecto patronum.
Expecto patronum. That was right. Yeah.
Expecto patronum. 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 Expecto patronum.
Expecto
Oh.
patronum.
Expecto patronum.
Yes.
Expecto patronum. Let me record this. Expecto patronum.
Already recording.
Stop talking. I know, because I needed that piece so I can inserted it. Expecto. Say it again, because I forgot now. What is it?
Expecto patronum.
Expecto patronum. Okay. Expecto patronum.